Good morning, Hackathon judges. The Dev Without Hats team is proud to introduce the Obsequio application, a real-world solution enabling healthcare organizations to identify, report, and mitigate safety issues. The healthcare industry spends over $20 billion a year mitigating safety issues. We feel that with the use of the ServiceNow platform and some of the advanced features such as machine learning and predictive intelligence, we can provide risk departments with a tool that not only allows incidents to be reported, but the full life cycle of the event can be documented and analyzed for a holistic perspective. Using Obsequio on the ServiceNow platform will allow for integrations with other processes such as incident and change management, vendor management, GRC, HR facilities, biomed teams via Novolo, and of course, legal. Some of the features we've built into Obsequio include guided setup, a customized workspace for risk analysts, an omni-channel experience that includes traditional catalog item, mobile application, virtual agent with a Teams integration, and of course, the ability to create a record as a fulfiller within the platform. So let's take a look at the platform and those various omni-channel inputs. So we will launch the ServiceNow mobile application to the mobile platform. In the application homepage, users have the ability to create a safety incident via the quick action in the upper right-hand corner for the teams to be able to do their analysis of the issue. Also for fulfillers, we do have the ability for them to go in and see their safety incidents, as well as another action via the three dots in the upper right-hand corner to open the safety incident as they need to, and the ability to filter tickets to find specific incidents that they need to review. A traditional catalog item has been built for users to report an issue. Using keywords such as safety, the end user can quickly find the catalog item and report an issue. We present them with the required fields needed to submit the ticket. We've also trained the virtual agent to be able to recognize utterances to identify when a safety issue needs to be reported. So of course, for standard, they can go in and click on the safer incident here to start it off, but let's show the conversation. Let's say an employee fell in a room. Unfortunately, accidents do happen. So now we've gathered everything we need, and the virtual agent has created a safer ticket for the teams to investigate. Now we'll review the workflow we've built for the safer incident management process. And since there was an injury reported with this safety incident, we are sending a task to investigate the injury to the injury prevention team. So once the investigation, the general investigation has been completed, an additional task will be generated that will go to our remediation, our investigation team to identify any remediations that are necessary. And once that has been completed, we will be sending approvals over to our leadership team. So once they approve the request, then we will automatically close out the safety ticket. We have also integrated the now virtual agent with Microsoft Teams.
We also have created a guided setup. We have also created a workspace for our agents to make their life a little bit easier as they're working. We have the list view where they can open up their tickets. We've created additional tasks under My List so that they can look at incidents that are directly assigned to themselves. And of course, they can work their ticket through the details. We've also created an analytics page so that as a team, the team can make sure that they are sharing the love of the work. And lastly, we have created the ability for the agent to create a safer incident by just clicking on the new safer incident. We have created dashboarding for administration. For example, if they're looking at the events, we've created a page using performance analytics and predictive intelligence to create a text word cloud. I plan on taking the performance analytics and the predictive intelligence a little bit further in order to identify more correlation between the words and the data that is collected in the incident. We want to have a walk-up experience for our end users so that non-employees can actually report any safety issues. And then in our mobile app, we'd like to create a pin for the GPS location. Thank you for letting us demonstrate our new Obsequio application.